guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is September 30. It's a very exciting day for us because we are gonna be going to pick up our new Tesla Y. So I'm gonna share with you the day that we are picking up our Tesla Y. It's already 9:30. We have to pick it up by 10 o'clock, our Tesla Y. So the reason why I'm getting the Tesla car, because currently right now, the gas prices are shooting up right now. It's very expensive. I cannot afford to buy the gas anymore. And we've been using the car, the Chevrolet Tahoe, and this Armada is an SUV. It's a V8, so of course it's very expensive. The gas price is so expensive. And then we've been using the car for like 86 miles per day. And then so we have to multiply that into 30 days. So 86 miles times 30 days, that is like 2,580 miles a month that we've been spending. And then we've been putting gas on this car for like $80 every 3 days. The Chevrolet Tahoe, yeah, it's $80 per every 3 days. And then this Armada, I don't use this much. So the total amount that we are spending in gas in a month is like $940 per month just for the gas price. So it's very, very expensive already. So that's why I decided to get the Tesla car. We ordered the Tesla. We tried to trade in this car in the Tesla dealership, but then they only accept $1,600 for this car. So this car is very much memorable to me because it's been with me for 16 years now. So I cannot just easily get rid of this car. Okay guys, so let's go. We're gonna pick up our Tesla car now. Come on.
In 7.9 miles.
We're here. We are here in Tesla. We're gonna be looking for our car. That's the Tesla office.
myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. Can't help myself. I need me to be whole again.
So we finally got our keys here. This is the keys of the car.
You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking. What you got me thinking. Lately, I've been trying to fix the mess, get myself up out of bed, but I'm feeling empty. Maybe I need to try something else, get you out of my head. You can't save me. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. You're not the one.
So we are trying to charge this one here.
You're not the one, no, no, no. I'm moving on, admitting we're done. That's what you got me thinking lately. It's been harder for me now. 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 But I'll get through it somehow. But I'll get through it somehow. But I'll get through it somehow.
So I'm here in the new Tesla Y. It's kind of exciting, but I need to practice on how to adjust all this stuff here. So I still need to learn more. Currently here in the school for Ashley. We're gonna be picking up Ashley. It's a surprise that we got a new Tesla. So we will show you what's her reaction on the Tesla. Yeah, I'm going to Hi! You know how to ride? Very good! Good job, Ate!
What the heck?
Hi, Ate! You're riding a new Tesla! Wow!
What the heck?
Spend the day looking blank out the window, all looks straight in my tank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what
We are here to pick up Sophia now.
Sophia balik.
And then she will be surprised. We'll see what's her reaction.
Is it this one?
Yeah.
nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. It's tough to still live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind,
Hi, Sophia! Hi! Yee! You got the new car!
It's so pretty.
It's so pretty!
Where to go? Now I see that there is so much I don't know.
si mami itong
Off direction, I am fighting against my own emotion. Can't focus, I'm distracted,
Yeah.
and I don't know. You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes, and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic, and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I'm waiting till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. I've been saying it softly with no words.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, John's Lifeventure, and click like and click the bell button for the next notification. Bye!
Give it enough, give it enough, give it enough, give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined.